Hello friends, Emily here from Homemade Emily Jane. With the holidays quickly approaching, I thought I would put together a quick video for you sharing 5 awesome gift ideas for modern quilters that use AccuQuilt. So maybe you're a quilter that loves AccuQuilt and you're looking to add things to your wish list. Here are some great ideas. Or maybe you're shopping for a modern quilter. These are perfect for the modern quilter in your life. So these 5 gift ideas are all using AccuQuilt. If you are not sure what AccuQuilt is or you want to learn more about it, check out my AccuQuilt playlist where I share tons of awesome educational content. I share how it works, which machine I use, and tons of other things as well. So that's definitely where you want to go first. This video will just be a quick overview of some gift ideas. Now, if you want to see all of these gift ideas in one place, check out my blog where I will link all of these products and you can easily just scroll through and find the one that you're looking for. Okay, let's dive in. The first thing that I really want to share with you is one of my favorite AccuQuilt things ever, the Mix and Match Cube system. You'll see here I'm showing off the 8-inch cube, but I actually have this set of dies in every single size that they have. So you can get a 4-inch cube, which makes some very small 4-inch blocks, a 6-inch cube, 8-inch cube like this one, 9-inch, 10-inch, and even 12 inches. If you like tiny piecing, go for the smaller sizes, but if you want a quicker finish, you'll want one of the larger sizes. If you're just starting off, I definitely recommend the 8-inch, and then I also have a second favorite is the 12-inch. So both of those are fantastic, and I find that they have a lot of really awesome shapes in them in different sizes. If you already have a cube and you want something to go along with it, you might consider a companion set. So I have here the angles companion and the corners companion, and both of these are really amazing in addition to the Mix and Match cube. So you'll see here the angles companion and the corners companion are separate, but they play together really nicely with some really fun shapes. If you're just deciding between one or the other, my personal favorite is the angles companion because it has the tri-rack block, which might be in an upcoming quilt pattern of mine someday in the future. So if you already have the Mix and Match cubes and some companions, but you want something on the lower price point to add to your wish list, you might consider just a single die for half square triangles. Half square triangles are the most versatile shape, especially for modern quilters, and AccuQuilt makes tons of dies for different sizes of the half square triangles. You'll see this die actually is a multiple set of 2-inch finished. So this die is actually one of my favorites, even though this exact shape is in the Mix and Match cube that I just showed you. This one has a lot more and it cuts a lot more at one time. So I really get a lot of good use out of this particular die. And then AccuQuilt, of course, has tons of other half square triangle dies as well. So check those out on the website. My 4th really cool gift idea for a modern quilter using AccuQuilt is an organizational system such as this one. So this is actually a die storage set that fits 4 dies and it looks a lot like the cubes. So if you wanted to store all of your dies in a way that looks presentable and keeps them safe, one of these is really awesome and definitely on the lower price point for gift ideas. And finally, let me share with you gift idea number 5 that every AccuQuilt user cannot have enough of. Extra cutting mats. So if you've been using AccuQuilt for any amount of time, you know how important it is to have a cutting mat, especially one that's not worn out. So adding some extra cutting mats to your holiday wish list is always a great idea. They come in different sizes. Right here I'm showing this 6-inch by 12-inch, but the 10 by 10 is also super useful. And then of course the really large 10 by 24-inch mats are really great if you're using some of the larger dies. I hope you found this video helpful and that you can add some of these awesome ideas to your wish list or get them for the modern quilter in your life. If you want to see the complete list or get links to any of these products, check out the description below for my blog post where you can go ahead and click on any of the links in there, or maybe put it on your Pinterest board to save for later and maybe send as a hint to somebody else. Now tell me in the comments below if you have something else AccuQuilt related on your wish list that I should have included in this video. I'm always looking for recommendations and options, and I'm sure other people might enjoy them as well. Happy sewing, my AccuQuilt friends, and happy holidays to come.